Episode something, I don't even know anymore. I've done too many of these. We're here. The doggos are here. We're all here. Family reunion in the house. What do you think? I made you your very own paradise. And you peed on it. You're just peeing on my masterpiece. Stop eating it. Why are you eating it? That is not what I expected you to do. Hey, puppers. Mom did some of the polka dots yesterday, and they look really good. Whoa, we have a garage!
Some tools.
Wow, look at that. More lightsabers. Bro, those are honeybees in there. There's a lot of them. Nearly like 100% sure those are honeybees. Which means there's a hive. Which means it's probably a big hive because there's a big tree that's just covered. Which means it's not going to be fun to get rid of. Yeah, fence. Fence. That works pretty well. Die! Oh, shoot. That is a definite paper wasp. Shoot. Bro, I thought those were yellow jackets when I first saw them. But yellow jackets and paper wasps look very similar. But yellow jackets like burrow in the ground or in wood or stuff like that. Paper wasps make nests like this. And they look exactly like that. Death to you, death to your family. No mercy. I still haven't recovered. So that means you can't recover either. I think I just did it. It's all staying up. Nothing's falling down, there's no holes. It looks very decent. Now we're gonna take these boxes. We're gonna condense them here. That's it.
I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big.
I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big.
That's looking much better. Dad's been doing the floor. Let's go ahead.
What are you doing?
The dogs keep trying to escape. I'm gonna try to take out a little bit of the corner, at least that first part. Because they're because they're like honeybees and not like paper wasps or anything like that. I'm fine getting stung at least a few times. Like, if I get stung, then I'll stop. But, I don't know, as long as they kind of leave me alone. Bees are flying over me. As long as I don't disturb the hive, I think they'll just fly around me and not mess with them. Honeybee stings don't hurt too bad. I think I'll be okay.
40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big.
Paper wasp nest. Poison, come back here, poison. There he is. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another one. Shadow, get out of there, man! Shadow! You're in a war zone! Buddy! Oh, I really don't want to get stung again. Okay. I'll just keep watching. See if I see any more hives.
I'm 40 hand big. 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big. I'm 40 hand big.
Okay. That's all I'm willing to do. I just got chased by a bumblebee. There's both. There's honeybees and bumblebees, and then occasionally a paper wasp nest. I cleared out quite a bit though. Goodness, they're everywhere. All this stuff needs to be donated, and the guys that just drove around to pick up donation things didn't want this stuff for some reason. So we're gonna go to Goodwill. Oh my gosh, that took forever. I went to one place and they were like, we only accept 2 boxes. And I think it was because they were like full or something. And so I had to drive 20 minutes to another one. And then he was super picky. He was like, oh, I need to see if the manager will sell this. It was just like, okay, fine. So I had to like sort out all of the, there were like certain type of hangers that they sell and certain types that they didn't sell. So I had to like sort through all those. And then at one point he was just like, all right, you know what? Just give it to me. I'll sort it. It's like, great. So it's been about an hour and a half maybe. But I'm done. Finally did it.
Hey! Hey!
I really don't want to work. But we have to. Oh, well, I can't get up. That trash bags. Boom. Got it. This is what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now. Much better. We're all done. I'm tired. Ladies and gentlemen, we have flooring. If you will come this way, you will see that everything is finished. No thanks to him. No thanks to him. He did everything in here. He did all this stuff. He did everything back there. Eyeshadow. And everything down here. All today. Looks good. Looks really good. I've had to fight about 3 or 4 wasps that have tried to get inside. They have declared war on me. They'll like come up to the windows, come up to the doors, just to like entice me to come back out. Then I come back out and use this spray. The spray works so well because it instantly just like destroys their flight and they just fall down. They can just smash it. Works really well.
Ready?
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Final big day of preparations. We got Chick-fil-A. We got mutts. And we are ready to destroy this house. So today, Dad, Jacob, and I are all teaming up to take out the bee and wasp infested corner way back there. We're gonna do it finally. War has officially been declared on these stinging insects. We're going to take them out. We're going to do it quickly, hopefully painlessly, but probably very painfully. What is that? Well, oh, there it goes. Oh, it's throbbing its stinger up and down. Artillery's been gathered. Preparing for frontal assault. Oh! Man down! Man down! Ah! Oh, just got started again! Stop! I think it was a paper wasp. Because it hurts a little bit. And there was no stinger in it, so it was a wasp. Oh! Though we fall, we must continue on with the fight. Nothing will stand in our way. We will reclaim the backyard. The mighty will rise up again. The mighty will rise. The mighty will rise. See the hive. Death to you! Ah! Run away! Gotta keep chipping away at it. It's the best. It's the best thing. Oh! Ah, the sting! It's getting away. Whoa! Oh! Ah! Come at me! Come at me, I dare you! No, never mind. I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, wait, I need something to smash it. Where'd it go? There it is. Dang it! Oh my god. What have you done?
Scared it off.
Retreat! What have you done? Ah! Here goes nothing. So that's the bee's nest down there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, those are all bees. I wonder what happens if we do this. Ah, run! Oh, goodness gracious! Finally, a friendly face. Hello there.
We found a friend.
Hi. Oh,
He looks really old.
yeah. He's just dusty.
We also saw an animal.
Yeah, we did.
Really bright green.
I'd say we can declare victory.
We destroyed their whole life. We haven't destroyed them.
Before and after picture right here.
We've destroyed their fortifications.
We haven't destroyed their hive, but we've destroyed everything else basically.
We've destroyed the walls, but we haven't destroyed the actual city.
Yeah. The war is essentially over.
It's just a matter of time.
Mini bananas. Pick. Here's your mini banana. Aw, she's adorable.
Kind of looks like a baby black mamba,
Yeah.
but it's way too small. And they aren't native here.
Be free, young snake. So Jacob's been trimming these trees down. There's a big pile of leaves here. Jacob and Judah took them all over there, so now there's a giant pile back there of leaves.
You can just see the trail.
Yeah. These trees are looking much better. Very nice. Dad's been working in here. We have this flooring now.
Almost done.
Almost completely done.
And then in here as well.
Oh yeah. Which looks very nice. Mom's painted these doors, which look really good. Very nice. I love the gray. The gray looks so nice. This room is looking much better. And then of course, this is the battleground.
That's the pile.
Yeet.
That's the pile that I dropped in.
There's our giant pile of leaves. And there's our other giant pile of leaves. This backyard has gone through quite a transformation. It still looks pretty bad, but it's flat at least. So today is basically like the last day that we're gonna work like hardcore on the actual house. Next episode is gonna be move-in. We're finally gonna move in. Today is Friday. We're gonna take a couple days off. They might come back and do a little bit of touching up. But other than that, the next big thing is moving in on Monday. Move in Monday will be the final episode. Goodbye.